Hello guys, hope you are all doing good. Welcome back to Hypebeast TV. This video about our vehicle today is very special to every Indian because we are going to talk about the Range Rover Sentinel. This is the car that has been purchased recently by the PMO, that car in which the respected Prime Minister of our country rides. So, what is so special about this car? Let's dive in for details. But before that, if you are visiting our channel for the first time, please make sure to subscribe for such great content. When Shri Narendra Modi became the Prime Minister of India, he was provided with the convoy of BMW 7 Series cars. But recently, PMO announced that they bought the Range Rover Sentinel. Basically, Range Rover is a luxury vehicle and Sentinel is specially made for VVIPs and a few diplomats around the world. The tag price of the vehicle is literally 4 crores, and if we want to import one from UK with all taxes included, one would have to pay a fortune of 10 to 12 crores. And for this kind of monstrous amount, do you really get to see something special on the outer body? Nope, nothing. It looks the same when compared to the other Range Rover SUVs. Then why does it cost a bomb? This is because of what it is from inside. The vehicle is designed by SVO, Special Vehicles Organization, owned by the Range Rover. Like all other luxury vehicles, Sentinel also is equipped with the world-leading facilities like an inbuilt TV to watch the news around the world, freezer to store champagne, ambient sound system, etc. etc. But this vehicle stands strong for its security capabilities. This is so safe that it can withstand pouring bullets. It can save the person inside the cockpit from a 15 kg TNT blast underneath it. It can tackle hand grenade attacks without pouring a sweat. It comes with 360 degrees 6-part armored safety cell protection for the security of its occupants. On an average, a Range Rover weighs around 2 tons, whereas the Sentinel weighs double, that is 4.4 tons. That's too heavy, right? But for our surprise, this heavy vehicle takes off from 0 to 100 kmph in less than 10 seconds. This is because of its 5 liters supercharged V8 petrol engine, which churns out 375 brake horsepower. Some say it weighs like an elephant but runs like cheetah. Not only the body and the engine, the windshields in the Sentinel are bulletproof. Sentinel comes with unique tires with run flat system, which keeps you going a distance of 50 kilometers on a velocity of 80 kilometers per hour even after a puncture causing a flat tire. Among everything, to stop such a heavy vehicle, the brakes are also the best in the world. Isn't that great? And when it comes to the safety, it's built with VR8 standards. And some might ask, is the VR8 best in the world? And the answer is no. Mercedes S-Guard comes with VR10 standard. But why couldn't our PMO buy that vehicle instead? There are reasons for that too. Firstly, Range Rover is an SUV, which offers you the world's best off-roading capabilities, which comes to rescue in the times of landslides or bumpy roads. Moreover, Range Rover is now an Indian company. Yes, the Tata company has bought the Land Rover and Jaguar from the Ford group of companies in 2008. And so, buying this vehicle brings back the money to our own country. Thus, by choosing Range Rover vehicles for our Prime Minister, Indian government is not only trying to strengthen the safety of our Prime Minister, but also trying to strengthen our economy by depending on our own products. As you all know that, Tata has donated 1500 crores during the pandemic. I personally hope that we all encourage more of our own brands, which in turn will help our own country. This car, being an Indian vehicle, definitely makes us all proud. So, how did you all like the Range Rover Sentinel? Please let us know in the comment section below. And if you like the video, please like, share and subscribe. Jai Hind.